What's up, guys, and welcome to the Whiteboard Breakdown for August 28th. So your equipment today, if you have a rower, that's what we're going to use for today. Or if you don't have a rower, we're going to run or do jump rope, so you need a jump rope. Also, barbell for today, if you don't have that, kettlebell or dumbbell will work just fine. So for our warm-up, I'm not going to go through every movement here, but if we are rowing, I want you to get at least 2 minutes of rowing. Same with running, about 400-meter run or 2 minutes, or about 50 to 100 double unders, or just work some singles in there for 2 minutes. And then 3 rounds of the following exercises that we have listed out. After you finish that warm-up, we're going to move into the Metcon. So every 4 minutes on the minute, you're going to finish these 4 movements. Okay, so we want to finish those 4 movements with enough time to rest before that next minute hits. If we don't get it with about 3 minutes, so we don't have that minute to rest, then start to adjust some either weight or knock the reps down by a few for the next round, so we complete that in that 3-minute range for the remainder of the rounds, because we have 5 total rounds here. So starting off, we have 21 calorie row for our guys, 15 for our females, or 200-meter run, 50 double unders. If you're doing singles, that's 100 singles. So somewhere around, we're looking at like a minute of work or so. Okay, so it should be pretty quick. Right when we get off that rower, we're getting into our front rack lunge. We're using that barbell. It is in that front rack. You do a step back lunge or a forward lunge. Either one works fine. We should be able to get that in 2 sets at the most. Okay, if we can't do that all in one, the weight's not that heavy. The suggestion is 95-65 for our male-female. We should be able to pound that out all in one set at the most. If we have to break once, put it down real quick, and then hop back in and grab that bar. Pike push-up, same kind of flow here. As we pike our hips, we're going head above the hand, and then push up. Okay. If you want to make it a little bit more difficult, move your feet onto a box, or we can even turn that into scientific handstand push-ups if you have a wall, or a regular push-up if the pike is too much. We want to be able to finish that in kind of the same thing, in 1 big set or 2 sets. And then our deadlift with the bar, we all know that big hinge all the way to the ground. So we'll look the same with the kettlebell and with the dumbbell. That should be pretty easy since the weight is light at the end. Pound that out, get your rest, sit back.